web series of Linux system administration. Uh, Myself, Mansoor Hassan, I'm solution architect in Technology Solution. We were working on the CLI of the Linux. In this video, we will see the file management. So without wasting our time, let's quickly jump into the server. So, okay, let's clear the screen. Uh, so before we move forward, we will see how we can navigate between the directories. So there is a command called cd that actually drive from change directory. If you wanted to move from one directory to another in CLI, you can use the cd command. So cd requires a path where you would like to go. Either if you hit the double tap, it will give you the options, or you give the absolute path where you would like to go. Let's say I wanted to go home, uh, cloud underscore user. So either I do provide the entire absolute path, or I ask Linux to provide me some help. Let's say I asked var slash I just typed cd space slash and hit the double tap, so it will give me the available option where I can navigate. So I would like to move to the var. If I type v and double tap, it will automatically complete my command. So Linux give you ability to find the hints by using double tap. I always enforce people to use the double tap if you don't know, or tap. So if you would like to have some help, hit the double tap. If you would like to autocomplete, like I say local, and I hit a tab, it will say there are 4 files who has the keyword allo. So I say loc. So if I hit, it says loc has is contained by two directories. So I say uh, a. So it will navigate, it will automatically complete the rest of the part of the file name or directory name. So that's how actually CD works. So you could utilize the Linux functionality by using tab, or it will give you the help as well. If you type CD and hit the double tab, it will give you all the available option where you can navigate. So I say I would like to go to var, and then I say I hit the double tab. It says it give me some options. I say I would like to go to lib. If I double hit, it gives me these number of files where I can move or navigate. So that's how cd works. Let's move to our next command, which is creating a blank file. Uh, in Linux, we can create a blank file with a touch command. Touch command gives you ability to create a blank file. So after typing touch, you can provide a file name. I says my file. So and .txt. So this will create a empty file. If I need to see that file, I can hit ls space minus la. So that file is here. Next, if I wanted to see the content, so we have a command called catalog. If I wanted to see any file in read-only mode, where I do not have options to edit, or there is a file which is critical and I don't want that file to be edited by accidentally. So I can read that file in read-only mode with the cat command. Cat is actually derived from catalog, and we can open any file with that file with cat command. So file name command has several text on it, but if I use the same command for my file name, it does not have anything. It's a blank file. So moving towards our next command, if I wanted to edit this file, so we have several utilities. The most famous utilities are Vim and Nano. So starting with Vim, so we will be using see the basic use case of Vim. So sorry, and Nano. So let's say if I need to hit Nano and my file name, it will directly drag me to the editable version of my file. If I type anything, I can write or I can see the text input right away. So we say this is not empty file. Now we have added some content. If you would like to save this file using Nano, so we need to hold the control button and then we need to hit the O. It will ask us to the file name we need to save. Either it's the same file name or we need to save that file as some other name. We don't need to release the control. We still need to hold the control button, and then if we want to save the content in the same file, we just need to hit the M. So it will save the content, and then we can, if we want to exit from file, then we can hit hold the control button and hit the X. So it will take out into the file. So that is how you can save the content. If I wanted to see the content, I can see this file is not empty. So again, there is one more scenario with Nano. Let's say I added some text. This text is not needed, and by accidentally I added some text, and I would like to save without I would like to quit without save. So we can hit Control X, and it will ask save to the buffer memory. We will say no. So if we watch that file again, so whatever we entered, it's not saved. So this is the base use case of Nano. There are a lot of things we can do with Nano, like text replacing and other things. But at the moment, we are more focused to do the basic things. Now we have another text editor utility, which is known as VI or Vim. Both are the same utility. Either you use Vim or VI. So you could use Vim. It's a more intelligent tool uh, instead of Nano. Nano is a very basic tool. It directly throw you to the editable version of the file, but Vim actually does not. So what you can do is you can create a file uh, with Vim test.txt. So you see we it says new file, but if we added something or hit something, we could not able to see. What if I wanted to add this file through VI or Vim? So we need to hit the I button. So once we hit the I, we can see insert, the mode of the file is insert. That means you can hit anything. This is insert mode. So if I wanted to save this file using VI, so I need to hit the escape button, and then we need to hit the colon. If you see, this is the colon, and then we need to hit the WQ, that will save and quit. So this is one scenario where we can save the file with VI. Let's say we ended up with some text which is not needed, or which I don't want to save that file, save in the file. This is not needed. So what we need to do is we need to hit the escape button, colon, and Q, and mark of exclamation. That actually quit without save. So if I went back to the file, so I can see there is nothing. So there are some more tricks in VI. So let's do this. So if you wanted to do copy and paste through VI, so you can see you can hit P button twice, sorry, Y button twice. So it will yank, and then Y will use for the copy, and P will use to the paste. The many times you hit the P, the many times it prints. So if you wanted to delete lines from Vim, so you can hit a D button as a shortcut. Double two time D will delete one line. If you continue to hit D, it will continue to delete all the lines till you are hitting. So, all in all, if you wanted to work with Vim, so it's a very good tool. So that's it from the lecture. We will see you in the next session.